Coming to department labs and research laboratories, we have 8 state-of-the-art technology and academic laboratories. Department have 3 research labs, namely Center for System Design and Condition Monitoring, Mechatronics and Robotics Lab, sanctioned under DST FIST funded project, Fab Lab, to impart the latest studies in mechanical engineering. regarding placement statistics, for the past 20 years, 100% placements in core and software industries by registered students, and others will go for higher studies. Core industries like Hitachi Energy, Hyundai Motors, TVS Motors, and software companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys used to visit, and our students are placed in almost all MNCs companies. Y21 batch students achieved international placements with highest pay package of rupees 31 lakh per annum and 25 lakh per annum from 2 Japanese companies. Coming to student and faculty achievements, ME students achieved lot in participating national and international level global challenges and won Advanced Manufacturing Challenge runner with the prize money rupees 50,000, 6 months internship with stipend rupees 25,000 per month. ISIE e-bike contest got Future Innovative Bike Prize. ME department have 2 clubs, namely Automobile Club and SAE Club. We conducted many technical events like workshops, seminars under Association Forum Yantrik. Technical, non-technical events, conferences are conducted regularly. Every year, international conference is being conducted with foreign and national keynote speakers from various reputed institutes.